The Su-27 flanker jet was 2 minutes into its display when suddenly it seemed to lose power and drift towards the ground. From another angle, the jet can be seen after impact cartwheeling across the packed display ground before erupting into a giant fireball.
Now, you think that Jane is going to disappear from us. Now, she's still on that far side. Keep an eye on Jane. Keep an eye on Charlie. Watch this. Jane Wicker sitting on top of the world. Oh, no.
Martin, get away. Get up.
Célebre por la facilidad con la que realiza maniobras acrobáticas. Era la estrella de este festival que se celebra cada año en un aeródromo a las afueras de París. En un momento dado del espectáculo, los pilotos perdieron el control del aparato por razones que aún se desconocen y ocurrió lo que ustedes ven. Imágenes espectaculares pero sin víctimas. Los pilotos saltaron a tiempo y afortunadamente en el lugar donde se produjo la caída no había espectadores en ese momento.
Okay, folks, please stay where you are. We've got emergency crews.
Dwa fesy prawy i lewy wykonają pętlę pełną, a Lech Marchalewski jako prowadzący przetnie trajektorię ich lotu. Proszę zobaczyć! Matko Boska! Matko Boska, co się stało? Chryste Panie, nie mogę tego przeżyć!
Adlis and Kindleman in through to start, through to chicane. Oh shit! Oh crap! Plane down.
Year after year, there are accidents that all have a chilling similarity.
And their safety in the event of such accidents will also be investigated. The Accidents Inspector has asked to have a closer look at the engine. With extensive video and photographic evidence, plus the many witnesses at the show, the investigation is expected to be a lengthy one.
Slams into a third jet. All three aircraft crash into the ground. One of them streaks toward a crowd of spectators and explodes. Another spectator, Jeff McCanch, was standing dangerously close to where the plane crashed down.